The Louisville Water Tower has stood on the banks of the Ohio River here in Louisville, Kentucky since 1860. In the beginning, it was part of Louisville Water's original operations, along with the pumping station supplying drinking water to 512 customers in 1860. Today, the Louisville Water Tower is a landmark for our city. It's one of the most photographed pieces here in Louisville, and although it's no longer operational, it still stands as a symbol for Louisville Water Company. The tower is massive. It is 185 feet, and it's designed by Theodore Skousen to resemble something with Roman and Greek architecture. Louisville Water is announcing a $6 million restoration of the tower that will preserve this important piece of American history. This project includes 3 pieces. The first is on the outside of the tower itself, where crews will replace the metal with zinc to preserve the tower for the future. On the inside, where the cast iron pipe still stands, we'll be protecting the tower from moisture. There are 10 statues that stand along the balustrade. They're not there right now because they're being restored in Washington, D.C. The statues were added in 1910 to add ornamental beauty to a utility that supplies drinking water. While we're working on the tower, we're also doing improvements to pumping station number 1. That includes repairing the paint on the outside of the station and improvements to the inside of the station, which is now home to the Waterworks Museum, which tells the story of Louisville's drinking water. The Louisville Water Tower is a symbol not only of the purity of our drinking water, but of our commitment to preserve this piece of American history.